What's up YouTube? And as you see, we got a seat for the 350Z. Looks pretty sick. I installed the bracket already. The Z's already prepped, ready to go. So it was pretty easy. I'm gonna insert a clip of what you gotta do, and that's pretty much it. I lined it up the best I can on both sides so it's even. But it was a pretty easy install. So I'm gonna put it in and let's test it out. Alright guys, so we're at the seat now. So you got just 4 bolts, 2 here and 2 in the back, and then that's pretty much it. It's really easy to do the seat. Obviously you need the seat brackets. Here are the seat brackets on the floor. You're gonna go under here, you know, put the lever up like this. No, and you grab the seat. You're gonna push it forward, okay? And then you're going to lean it back. So I'm gonna show you just like this. So you're gonna disconnect all these wires. You're gonna disconnect this, and yeah, that's just the airbag wire right there, and that's pretty much it. And then she's ready to get out of here. All right guys, check it out. Seat is on, everything's bolted up, ready to go. Fit pretty good in it. And that's pretty much the end of the video. Looks super sick. Next we gotta do the steering wheel, shift boot, and a couple other things, but overall looks pretty cool.